Welcome to this podcast, Design Your Life. My name is Erwin Meja. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. If you are interested by design, skills and investment, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you to reach the next level, the next skills. Let's get started. Today, let's talk about school, university. Maybe you are on holiday right now and maybe you have time to think about your future, the next year. Today, I just want to share you best list. If you decided to start your industrial design bachelor or master degree, different possibilities, opportunities. I think every school or university are very different. It's just about what you really want, which subjects, courses you really want to learn. It's very important if you decided to study in this industrial design school. Take a good decision. It's not easy, and I understand you. When I researched different schools to start my master in industrial design, it wasn't easy for me. I have a lot of choice. I didn't know which way decision I need to take. It's the reason why today I just want to help you for your research to start your industrial design first year. These lists are very interesting. Industrial design school, if you are looking for a good school, every school has their advantage and privilege. It's very interesting to realize this. See the different opportunity for you if you decided to start a bachelor or a master in industrial design. It's very important to consider this. To take this good decision to do a master degree in industrial design, what the best decision I take. It's very interesting and important to take time with yourself. Those things, what do you really want? Simon Sinek, he talked about to focus your intention on your why. My opinion about school, university, bachelor and master's degree. When I researched different school, I had a lot of possibility. I visit twice time an industrial design school university. I did a lot of research, try to understand. Don't be afraid if you hesitate in different school or university. If you have shows right now to take time to think about it, take this time, this holiday before to start the next year to start your industrial design bachelor or master. It's very important. If before you just do a bachelor in industrial design, right now there's a lot of change and you have possibility in 5 years to do a master's degree in industrial design. A lot of theoretical and practical courses we need to learn. It's very important to take time in this long process to have abilities and skills to become a good industrial designer. It's a different opportunity you have to take this good decision. It's not easy, but I believe in you. I believe in your potential as an industrial designer. About my experience, I decided to do my master's degree in industrial design and I learned a lot. But of course, there's a lot of interesting other school or university you could choose for your next year. If you have any question about design, skills and investment, tell me which content you want to see in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment below.